This video is literally going to be the death of me because I have so much stuff. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing a dorm room decor, I was gonna say vlog, haul. It's a haul. So I'm going to show you guys every single thing that I got for my dorm room. I haven't finished shopping. Like I still have like storage stuff that I need, but like I don't know how tall my bed is, like what can fit under it. Like there's certain things that I feel like I just need to be in my dorm so I can see what I need first. So this is everything that I have already. I have so much stuff, literally so much stuff. I'm afraid to show it to you guys because it took me forever to put it all away. I have a huge giveaway going on right now. I'll have all the information and like prizes and like all that stuff in the description. So if you guys want to enter, you totally should. Get excited for college content coming soon. I'm pumped. I'm not sure if I've already uploaded this video, but I'm doing a video all about my dorm room, like our ideas for how we're gonna decorate it, what our color scheme is. Like I'm gonna show you guys stuff, but you can see like what we're planning on doing with this stuff. Either that's up already or it's not. I'm not really sure. I'll figure it out once it's up. If it is, description. If it's not, it won't be in the description. Woo! Let's get started. I have this chair right here and it's like, this is not part of the college stuff, but it's in my way. Move. I actually did a vlog of me shopping for this stuff. I did 2, so if you want to check those out, go check them out. Like they're cool. Okay. Oh no, you can see it in frame. First thing that I see, I actually didn't buy this. My sister bought this and she didn't want it and I was like, I'll take it. It's from Target. It's like this gold. It's like for papers. I thought maybe I could put like papers in it. I don't really know. We'll figure it out. If I don't like it, then I won't keep it. Oh, you can actually hang it. No, actually you can't hang it. Those are just the things that like make it stand up. I'm an idiot. If you remember my shopping fail vlog, you know that I got 4 towels. I ended up returning 2 of them. So I have 2 of these pink towels, like bath towels. I have 1 washcloth. I don't ever use washcloths, so I was like, I don't need 10 of them, so I just got 1, and that's the tea. I have a trash can. It's white. All the stuff that I'm showing you right now is from Target. Funny story, when I went shopping, I could only find 3 of everything for like cups, plates, and stuff. I have 3 cups, 3 plates, 3 bowls. My mom was like, you need 4. What if you're gonna have a dinner party? And I was like, oh, what if I am going to have a dinner party? I'm probably not gonna have a dinner party. She found an extra plate, an extra bowl, and then she was like, there was no extra cups. But I was like, oh my gosh, I found an extra cup. It's a big cup. It's not like, see, this is 1 cup, this is 3. Like, it's not the same size, but that's okay. My college fine dina, I said fine dina, it's fine china. My college fine china that I'm going to be eating off of. Oh, I have this really sharp knife. My friend Kiara was like, you need a sharp knife. I don't really know why I'm going to need a sharp knife. I got one, just in case. And then here's my silverware. It's really cute. My mom said that she had like this exact one when she was in college, but hers were pink and it came in like a little tube thing. Mine has like something where you can stand up. I don't know if I'm gonna be standing it up. I already showed you my trash can. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in here. Literally putting the stuff I'm eating in a trash can. But I've never used a trash can, so it's okay. That's my justification. Ta-da! Oh. I got a Brita water filter. This is the more expensive one. It's bougier. It actually filters it as you pour. I got extra filters for it. On to the fun stuff. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll put in a picture of my bedding. It hasn't come in the mail yet. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's really cute. I love it. Excited for it. This pillow, really cute. It reminds me a lot of the bigger pillows that I wanted from Target, but it's small. It has like this furry stuff, white, gold, definitely in my aesthetic color scheme. I got this throw blanket that reminded me a lot of it because it has like the furrier stuff on it. So I thought that'd be cute for like the end of my bed. This pillow, it's like velvety soft. It's super cute. It's pink. It'll go with my bedding. I thought it was adorable. I got a laundry hamper. It's like super small and condensed and it pops up. I heard that you need like tall skinny ones to like not take up as much space. I got this scrubby thing for dishes and it's one of those that has like the soap thing that you can put in it. I got some chip clips. I'm really angry that this one's orange because I don't like the color orange. It is what it is. And then I got this like lanyard wallet thing. I had one but it broke, so I got this one so I could put like my school ID and stuff like that in it. I thought that'd be nice. And it's pink, so it'll match my dorm. Whoa, this is heavy. Tide Pods to clean my clothes. That was a weird way of saying doing laundry. I got a mini soap and this is the one that like saves the animals. They help wildlife, and that animal, little duck, is that a duck or a bird? I think it's a duck. It just like called my name. It was like, get me. So I got a little baby one. I got color catchers for laundry too. I got this shower caddy for my shower, obviously, so I could put stuff in it. And I like that it was like big on the inside, so I could put like my big shampoo bottles because the other ones were just small. Oh, I got some toothpaste, some like Crest 3D White. Crest 3D White is my favorite. I actually got a 2-pack, but I'm using the other one right now. My mom was like really serious about me getting cleaning supplies. Like she was like, you need this. When we went to Target, she was like, cleaning supplies right now. And I was like, throw pillows, and she's like, cleaning supplies. I think for your toilet bowl, all-purpose cleaner, has lemon scent. My mom was like, you need this in your life. And I was like, do I really? And she was like, get it. And I was like, okay. This is like for stain remover for laundry. I dropped it. Okay. I definitely need this because I stain everything. I stain every single thing that I own. Everything's just like in front of me right now. Trash bags and Tupperware. My meal plan, I only get 8 meals at like our cafeteria area a week, so I definitely need to make some stuff for myself. I actually have another thing from Target and it's been hiding behind me this entire time. It's right there. Let's get it. Wait, can I not lift it? Am I not strong enough? I don't want my butt to hang out. Whoa. My parents always make that sound when they move heavy stuff. Am I getting old? My life just like fell on my camera. I got this thing. So my bed is a little bit lofted, so I'm going to need something to help me like step up on it. This is from Target. It's really cute. Okay, I'm out of breath from getting it. I saw one at HomeGoods that I really liked. It had like shoe storage in it, so I wanted one that had storage in it. HomeGoods had like shoe storage around it, and so I might DIY that. This is also from Target. I just have been storing stuff in here too. I have a 3-hole punch, some tape, a mini stapler. Kayla talked me into getting a mini stapler. My mom said I should have gotten a regular stapler, but whatever. And this little pill container that I thought I could put like all different types of medicine in, and then just like label it so I didn't have to bring like big bottles of medicine. Would you guys be mad if I put that there? It's actually kind of cute. It adds like a cute like little touch of color. Maybe I'll keep it there. That was all we got from Target. Now let's go on to Costco. I got these giant bins. I wish I could show you, but I'm not about to lift them up to help me move. I got that. I got 2 pillows because I needed pillows. My pillows at home suck. I got a makeup mirror. This one lights up. My one that I have now is like kind of broken, and I just didn't want to bring it to college and just like have it break more like on the way there. So I got a new one, and it'll be nice when I come home to visit. My mom like thinks I'm gonna be coming home to visit like every day of my life. Really planning on not doing that. When I come home to visit, I'll have my own makeup mirror. I like can't do my makeup without this thing. Like literally I can't do my makeup unless there's a light around me. I got giant packs of paper towels and toilet paper. My mom said I didn't need to bring the giant packs to college, so she just took some out and like gave them to me so I can always come back for more. Is that bad? Also got a giant pack of Clorox. My mom just gave me like 2 that I can bring to college just to like wipe stuff down, be clean, you know. I'm not trying to be disgusting. I got a 2-pack of Honey Nut Cheerios, which is like my favorite food ever. I'm gonna have amazing cholesterol. Probably all I'm gonna be eating in college. I got a giant pack of these like command tape things. You'll see what I want to do with this later. You can't hammer holes into the wall, so this is nice. Got a giant pack of tampons. I got a first aid kit. It's actually not a first aid kit. It's literally just like band-aids and Neosporin. You need band-aids. I'm probably gonna like accidentally hurt myself a lot. I got this giant pack of extension cords. I thought this would be super nice. This one has like USBs here, and this one like you can move these things. Wait, can you see that? Me moving it? Ah, see? Cool, right? These are the makeup removers I use, so I got a pack of them. And Q-tips. I use so many Q-tips. This box I have right here is like random stuff, so it's not all from one place. Like before it was from Target, then it was Costco, and now it's just random. I'm just gonna tell you what it's from when I get there. I got this giant mattress topper. It's a 3-inch memory foam mattress topper. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I really needed a good one. I can't sleep at night. I literally like have the worst like sleep, like insomnia. I'm gonna diagnose myself. I needed this. So it was Prime Day, so I got a ton of hangers from Amazon. They're like the really nice like felt ones, so they save room and they make sure your clothes don't like fall off. I got a ton of them. I think I got like 60 to 100. I can't remember. Bed Bath & Beyond, I got the mattress topper like I said. I also got a mini steamer. Kiara told me I need a mini steamer, so I got this one. Really like handy and nice. I got some bed sheets. These are so soft. These are Casual Campus Living Super Soft Easy Care Benzoyl Peroxide Resistant Twin Extra Long Sheets. This is super soft. I only got one. My mom told me I didn't need an extra set, even though all the YouTube videos said I need an extra set of sheets. She was like, you dropped it, okay? She's like, you don't. So I just got one. They better be as soft on the inside as they are like in this outside packaging, because if the outside packaging is softer, that is such clickbait. Filing a lawsuit. Just kidding, I'm not. I want to. From HomeGoods, I literally didn't find any of the things I needed. I found this pillow. It's pink and it has like these like cute white things on them. Thought it was cute. I hope this doesn't break. I want to show it to you, but I don't want it to break. It's glass. This is also from HomeGoods. It's like opening a Christmas present. This is really cute. It's like this glass and has like mirrors to the bottom. It's like pens, pencils, holders. I thought I could put like makeup brushes and things like that in it, and it's like gold, so it's perfect, so I can just like sit it on my desk and have it be all nice. Super cute. That's that from HomeGoods. I didn't get that much from HomeGoods. From the Apple store, I got 2 things. I got this lightning cord. It's like one of the chargers, and this one's 2 meters, so it's super long. You know when you get them on Amazon and they're like, this accessory does not support. So I got it from the Apple store, so it would have supported. I also got earpods. These are just the cases. They're not in here. First off, the gym. I really like using them at the gym, but I got them for my dorm room. Since I'm having a roommate, I don't want to annoy her when I'm editing my videos, so I thought earpods would be nice for that. Keep losing them though, because they're just small. From IKEA, I got 3 of these things. This is just 2 right here. They're called Scub. They're basically like these drawer organizers, and they come with 4 like different sizes. There's 4, no, what am I saying? Okay, there's 6 of them, and they come in 2 different sizes, and they're just for your like drawers and organizations to keep you organized. Also got from IKEA, this is the last thing, God bless, I got picture frames. If you guys have seen, or if it's coming up soon, my like video where I'm talking about my dorm room, you'll see what I want to do with these. I got 2 of these little ones, 3 of these like medium medium-sized ones, 2 of these like giant ones. You guys, we are done. Thank goodness. This is like all the stuff I have right now. I still need to get more stuff like when I move into my dorm. I do have some other things like I didn't buy that was like gifted to me, but since I didn't buy it, I'm not going to show it. That was the video. I hope that you guys liked it. Enter my giveaway if you haven't already. I'm going to talk really fast so we don't have to like keep this video going on for hours and hours. Subscribe if you're not already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, we're done. Thank goodness. I'm sweating.